Okay, today I will be reviewing the Panther Arms Panther Carbine DPMS M4. I had a vertical grip. I took it off. I've had this gun, I don't know, for about a year now, and it's pretty good. It's good as the day I bought it. It's a electric. This is a standard high capacity mag. Today I won't be doing shooting tests because I'm an idiot and there was a BB stuck in this mag, so I took it apart because I'm an idiot. And there used to be like a little thing there that you could, all the BBs would go out and it'd hold them, and there was a BB stuck in the wind, so it would not budge. So I took it apart and a spring flew out, and then I don't have the spring anymore, so no shooting tests. Battery compartment. Sights. I don't know if you can see those, but there's the sights. The sights are adjustable too. You can move them. I don't know if you can see that. The fire selector. There's safe. Semi and fully automatic. There's your hop up. I don't know if you can see that, but there's your hop up in there. As I said, it came with a vertical grip, and this red dot sight. It's not very good, but hey, what can I say? It came with it. It's supposed to be crappy. It's all ABS plastic except for the internals, being the barrel, and this is metal. Sling mount. I put a reason there's a piece of string there is because when I'm running, it doesn't rattle. And I tied it around. You can take the sights off, being it is the M4 carbine. It's I think it's 22. The 22 rails, standard rail. There's a little button right there. Releases the mag. You don't have to pull it back to shoot it, but I like to do it. It gives a real effect. And that about covers it.